So where did you train then?
Me, the London College of Fashion.
Oh my god.
We go for 3 years. 20 odd years ago, yeah.
Wow. And was it hair and makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hair and makeup for fashion, TV and film. Yeah. But I started by doing a fashion journalism course.
Really?
So I thought I wanted to be a fashion journalist, yeah. And then I realised that I was much more creative.
Yeah.
But it was really good. I did like a sort of an access course, they call it.
Yeah.
Which sort of gives you an insight to all the different jobs in fashion.
Yeah.
And that's where I realised that, I just loved styling things and styling a shoe. So I did, fashion styling and all that sort of stuff. I much preferred all that creative stuff to the academic-y stuff.
Yeah.
Green on green is good. I think it's good. I do, yeah. It's kind of similar. I think I just about that way. I think that's all right. And then these shoes here, what do you think of these? A bit early there shoes. I love the bottom of them.
I don't like them.
They'd be spilling all over the place. They're very Kardashian.
I just say, no, not really my cup of tea, Mark.
Very Kardashian. I don't think I like any of the things that the Kardashians wear.
It was very 80s.
Yeah.
Favourite colour combinations is pastel pink. Lorraine had an outfit actually the other week.
Oh, I love pink and red together.
Yeah, so do I.
I've just asked to do a sample of a pink and red leather bag actually together. That'd be nice.
Oh my god, I can't wait. I want your leather bag.
This is from Master Specs. It's £35 which I thought was a great price. Almost that a good alternative to the summer. Cute little t-shirt from Warehouse at £22. Then we have got...
Right, I'm going to show you how to do a smoky eye, easy smoky eye, right? So we're going to use the MAC paint pot in black. Don't be scared of that. Right, so literally going to brush it on. This is an easy smoky eye, right? And then I'm going to paint that over the whole eyelid. Don't worry if the edges are not blended straight away. We're going to use a clean brush to blend the edges. If you use the same brush, you're just going to keep smearing it and it'll just get bigger and bigger. So always have 2 brushes on hand when you do a smoky eye. Okay, so we just open. So we just painted that on the whole eyelid. Then we're going to use another brush. And if you look straight ahead, Charlotte, like, you can look into the camera. You're going to blend this in that socket line, okay? And literally rubbing it across, to and fro, like that. Just to soften that line. Okay. And then with a finer brush, smaller brush, we can take the same paint pot. If you just look up underneath the eye. You could do this with a black eyeshadow as well. Just always use 2 brushes, one to put it on with and one to blend with. Because that's where people make the mistake. They start blending with the same brush and it just gets bigger and messier.
Oh god, and then it actually looks like you've got a black eye.
Then it looks like you've got a black eye. And remember, you can always clear up underneath with your foundation brush if there's any droppage. Okay, let's do the other one. So it's on the whole eyelid, just the bulbous part of the eyelid. Get right into the lower lashes. Okay, and then clean brush. Keep your eye open so you can see that socket line where it is. It sort of just sits in that crease. Just doing circular motion on that edge there just to really blend that edge. And just close for a minute, just get that right in there. And then we'll have to just clean up underneath a little bit. So just look up. And then look up, just clean up in there. There's always going to be some droppage when you do a smoky eye. Okay, and then to top that off, we put kohl pencil. So just look up. On the inside and just going up on the waterline, going upwards. Okay, and then just in there. Okay, and then the other place to put it is look up. I'm just going to lift this up. It's just in that corner there. Feels funny. Woo! Right, and then let's top it off with some mascara. Okay, look down slightly. So you can take that stronger and stronger, that eye, if you want. Do you know what I mean? Just keep adding to it.
I never normally think I suit like really dark smoky eyes, but actually,
Oh, yeah.
quite like it.
Yeah. Definitely was just a nudie lip.
Yeah, and I'm always afraid that obviously
it's going to go everywhere.
Yeah, I look like I'm going to have black eyes.
Okay, look up slightly. People love your tutorials. When I put them up, I get loads of tips.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so then just, if there's anything to clean up. Okay, and then if you think there's any more blending that needs doing, just give it a little bit more. Okay, let me just... So you can add to that, like, if you wanted to, you could add... So with that tiny brush that I took underneath, just close your eyes. I'm just going to put a little bit more right in that, like where you put eyeliner. Just a tiny bit more along the lash line and make it a little bit smudgy. Okay. Just gives it a little bit more emphasis, you know. I should look up for me. There we go. That's quite an easy one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was actually.
Shoot you.
Thank you.